Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you try this new Instagram feature, how to use message to refill feature on your Instagram story. Let's get started by open your Instagram, but before that you have to update the latest update of this app, and then you can open the Instagram and create your own story first. This is for example. So after that you can tap on the top of your screen and try to search this refill feature. You can tap it. So you have to write what or you have to write the message to refill. For it's street food, for example, and then you have to tap preview. This is how your story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to refill it. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The circle thanks button below. See you in the next video.